Today we're going to read a super special story about a wedding. Do you know what a wedding is? What is it? Yes, a wedding is when two people who love each other get married and spend forever and happily ever after together. Yes, they get married. And in our story, we're going to have a frog who is a boy frog who asks Miss Mousie to be his bride. Okay, so the bride is the girl getting married. So Miss Mousie is going to be the bride today. She's going to marry the frog. And I don't want to tell you anything else, but they want us to write a story about their wedding today. How does that sound? Cool. How can we say that they get married? What's a way? So we have who? Oh, Frog. And he asked Miss Mousie, the mouse, to be his what? Bride. Yes, remember, a bride is the girl who is getting married. A girl who is getting married is called a bride. So the frog asked Miss Mousie to be his bride. Maybe we could write a sentence about that. How does that sound? Awesome. Let's think. Here, repeat after me. Frog asked Miss Mousie to be his bride. Perfect. Let's pat it. Ready? Frog asked Miss Mousie to be his bride. Oh my goodness, that's a really long sentence. Should we count that together? All right, let's do it together. Ready? Frog asked Miss Mousie to be his bride. How many words is that? Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Or 5, 6, 7, 8. Awesome. All right, let's write about it. Let's write it down so we don't forget. All right, here we go. Who asked Miss Mousie? Frog. What's the first time you hear in frog? The letter F. Good job. Sorry. Frog asked. What's the first time you hear it asked? The letter A. Good. Frog asked. Frog asked. Who? Miss Mousie. What's the first time you hear miss? The letter M. Miss Mousie. What does that start with? M. Mousie. Ooh. Miss Mousie. Those both start with the same sound. Frog asked Miss Mousie to be his what? Bride. What's the first time you hear bride? The letter B. Good job. Now let's talk about punctuation. When do we use an exclamation point? When we're super excited. What about a period? Right, we just say something. And what about a question mark? Yeah, when we ask a question. So listen to see if I'm super excited, just saying something, or if I'm asking a question. Frog asked Miss Mousie to be his bride. Which punctuation do you think I use? I'm going to use a period. Very good. When I read it, Frog asked Miss Mousie to be his bride. Was I super excited for an exclamation point? No. And did I ask a question about who is getting married? We're just saying who is marrying who. Very good. All right, let me erase that so there's no confusion. All right, let's go ahead and read our sentence. Ready? Frog asked Miss Mousie to be his bride. All right, your turn. Ready? Read. Frog asked Miss Mousy to be his bride. I can't wait to learn more about their wedding. Thanks for helping me write this sentence about them, and I can't wait to read a story to you soon.